Okay, we've got a 2005 Toyota Corolla. I've got the warning light for the airbag system came on. I scanned it myself. It's saying the left front and right front airbag sensors, which are on this car. Kind of hard to see in here, but you can see that little yellow connector down there. So I'll try and zoom in. I've got my ratcheting wrench on it right there. There's just one bolt. You need a 10mm either wrench or socket to get that out. So that's the left front. Right front, a little harder to get to. Same thing, you can see the little yellow connector down there. I'll try and zoom in. Again, there's just the one bolt on it, 10mm. Again, you got to watch, there are side impact sensors as well. So this is going to be the right front, left front sensor. Okay, this is the passenger side one I got out. This one's a little harder to get to. But the connector, this yellow part here, there's like a sleeve that you can kind of pull down just a hair, and it'll help you to if you can see it moving, just moves a little bit. If you push that down, it'll help enable you to pop the connector out. And these only go in one way, so don't force. If it's not going in, don't try and force it. Let me get the other new one in here. So what's nice about these new ones, when you get them from the factory, they actually come with a new bolt. Okay, there it slides in. See how this sleeve part here moves? So if it's not coming out, don't be prying on it with a screwdriver. You're liable to break the tabs off. Like I said, it only goes in one way, so there's the connectors. There, I got it plugged in. Now you just, came out. Slide the sleeve back up here. You have to kind of squeeze on it because that little tab right here has to go back up over there. So now that's on tight. Just make sure it's on tight. You don't want it go through all that, bolt it back in, and then have it not work. So I'm going to go ahead and maneuver that back into position, bolt it in there. Okay, there you can see I got the new one on. My wrench is still on it. And just make sure you put them in the correct way, because like I said, this has got this little tab right here. There's a little slot in the inner fender there that this goes in. So it actually kind of goes in this way. And then you plug it in, and then the screw goes in here. Pretty easy job. It's just a little hard to get to down there. Either use a really small ratchet, or if you got, like I got this ratcheting screwdriver, or ratcheting wrench, comes in handy. Something you should be able to do yourself. Alright, thanks for watching.